Boat maintenance. Most people don't do any maintenance to their boat until the start of summer. And the boat needs to be maintained all year round. Any trip that you do, you need to be prepared. And in saying that, the batteries need to be checked and fully charged so that they're going to last the whole trip. Fuel, you need to work on using fresh fuel and on thirds. 1/3 fuel to get you out to where you're going, 1/3 to get you home, and 1/3 in reserve. Need to check your emergency gear as well. Make sure your EPIRB is working. You have life jackets on board that are in good condition and working, and flares that are in date. You need a radio that is working as well, and check when you get out to where you're going to make sure that you're getting reception. And when you are on the radio, make sure you're tuned in to your local area.